Are you looking to change your YouTube profile picture on your iPhone? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily change your profile picture with just a few taps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile application and then make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap where it says your channel. Once you are on this page, tap on the pencil icon on the right-hand side. And it will take you to the channel settings page. So now, at the top, you'll see the profile picture. If you want to change your YouTube profile picture, just tap on that. And it will give you two different options. You can either take a photo right now or choose a photo from your photos. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose a photo from my photos. Once you've selected your photo, you have the option to crop it. Once you've done that, tap on Save at the top right. As you can see, it says the profile picture was updated successfully. So this is exactly how you can change your YouTube profile picture on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.